Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.46 on Red Hat Enterprise Linux Standard 2. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with RHEL, that is Firefox. Then go to MySQL official website, it is mysql.com. Click on downloads, then click on MySQL community downloads, then click on MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.46. If you are unable to find, click on archives, then select RHEL or Oracle Linux. Then see here we don't have the RHEL 10, but select the latest version from this list, that is RHEL 9. See, once we selected it, populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded, but instead of downloading each package, just to download this RPM bundle, click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 876 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we'll enter this star file and we'll install list of RPM packages. This will take time. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads. ls. Now enter the star file. tar-except, then MySQL. Then press the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. ls. Now we have to install these RPM packages. Sudo Ctrl L sudo rpm -ivh start -no deps start.rpm. This command will install all RPM packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Provide the password of the currently logged in user. Hit enter. See, installation is completed. Ctrl A. Now we have to connect to MySQL Server. But to connect to MySQL Server, first we have to verify the MySQL Server service status. Then we have to get the root account password. Okay, so verify the status of the MySQL Server service status. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. If you don't give D, it won't work. See, okay, we have to give MySQL D. See, MySQL Server is installed, but service is not started. Okay, click now start it. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. See, MySQL Server is running. Okay, we have started it 3 seconds ago. Click now connect to MySQL Server. Now we have to get the MySQL user root temporary password by going to sudo more /var log mysqld.log grep password. See, this is the temporary password. This is not same for you. Okay, now set the permanent password for root account. Sudo mysql _secure installation. Now copy and paste this one. Now set the permanent password. Change root password again. No. Remove anonymous users. Yes. No. Remove test database and access. Yes. Yes. All done. Okay. So we have successfully set the password for root account. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the password that you have set for this root account. See, you have successfully connected to MySQL Server version number 8.0.46. You can also verify the version by running select. See, you got the same. Okay, Ctrl A. Now verify the list of the databases that comes with MySQL installation. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL Server installation. Now create database. So you have created database back. Now switch to this database by running the command use, then provide the name of the database. Show tables. So you don't have any tables. Now create table. Now insert some data into this table. Show tables. Now insert some data into this table. Insert one more row. See, you have inserted zeros. Okay. Now we'll create user, but before that, verify list of users that comes with MySQL installation. Select user from MySQL.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Now create user. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL server with this new user. Exit MySQL -u root -p. Sorry, username is David -p. Then provide the password that we have set for this user. See, we have connected successfully. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that we have created. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we see how to start and restart MySQL server 8.0.46 on RHEL 10.2. Control A, sudo systemctl stop MySQL D. We have stopped it. Now verify. See, we have stopped it 6 seconds ago. You can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. See, we are unable to connect. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. See, we have started 3 seconds ago. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart MySQL D. See, we have restarted 1 second ago. Control A. Until now, we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. You can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench or DBR. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on RHEL 10.2. Okay. Ls, these files are not required anymore because we have successfully installed MySQL server 8.0.46 rm star.rpm. It will delete all RPM packages. Ls, remove this one also rm MySQL, then press the tab, hit enter. Ls, we have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL server 8.0.46 on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 10.2. Okay. For more database or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.